are here on the maze over at the Big E in West Springfield, Massachusetts. So we've got this, you understand here? And we're all set. So here we go. Let the kids come in here. Gotta watch those kids go by. Let's go up those stairs. Bingo. However, that dance taken from the Playhouse Disney show, JoJo's Circus. Dance with JoJo and Goliath. With the kids and family. There's Skibo, Trina, Croaky, and Dinky. Well, that's the Starship ride. This one's 3,000. Got to wait until those kids go down the slides. That one has to go first. That one's second. It's third. And last. Next. Those kids have to go down.
Are you also gonna go grab?
I want to go down. Excuse me, coming through. All right, here we go down the slide. That was the maze, so that'll be all.